Chapter 1. Converting numbers into scientific notation from decimal form. Example 1. Convert 578,400 into scientific notation. When converting into scientific notation, step 1 is to place the decimal point, or move the decimal point, if one is already present, to after the first number that is not 0. In this case, the first number that is not 0 is the 5. So 5 decimal point. And then we keep the next few numbers that are not 0, 784, times 10. Now, we are going to raise the 10 to the power of the number of decimal places that we moved it. No decimal point was given in this number, however, this is where it would be were it given. So we moved this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Therefore, this is 5.784 times 10 to the 5th. Example 2. Convert 0.000000062 into scientific notation. Same rules. Place the decimal point after the first number that is not 0. The first number that is not 0 is this 6 here. So it is 6 decimal point 2 times 10. Now we are going to raise this 10 to the power of the number of places that we moved our decimal point. So we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places. However, this time we moved our decimal point to the right, so it is a negative 8. When converting to scientific notation, step 1 is to place the decimal after the first non-zero number. So after the first non-zero number. Step 2 is to raise this to the power of 10 based on the number of places. Raise power of 10 based on number of spots moved. If the number you are converting to scientific notation is greater than 1, the power will be positive. So if it's greater than 1, positive power. If the number that you are converting to scientific notation is less than 1, the exponent is negative.